Guys, I said to ChatGPT, make a image of Jesus entering Jerusalem, and then look at this. Here it is. Jesus entering Jerusalem. I make it to chat. I'd say to ChatGPT, make an image of Jesus entering Jerusalem, and then what what painting? Modern painting, and then I say in all, and then it's kind of long. I made it to wait. I made it loading, and then it came.